Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to reset your Xfinity account password. Open the website xfinity.com, then click on Sign In. First, enter your email, mobile, or username. Now, you will see an option for Forgot Password. Click on Forgot Password. To reset your password, select how you wish to receive the verification code either via email, text or call. Then click on Continue. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Continue. Now, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the second field to confirm. After entering, click on Continue. And now your password has been updated. It will ask you to set up two-step verification. But this is just optional. That's how you reset your Xfinity account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.